Why journaling is critical to your long-term survival in Forex trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to talk about the importance of journaling and the ongoing focus on improvement and progress and why that's critical to your long-term survival in Forex trading. So a lot of traders are consumed with winning and with being right, and it flies in the face of our mental wiring, and they're all focused on instant or short-term gratification and success. And success to them means taking a trade and making a lot of money. And as retail traders, most of the time we have small accounts. We're trading in markets that have a high amount of volatility, especially the recent, presidential elections, the U.S. Brexit vote previously. But just as an importance and why I emphasize using journaling on a daily basis, but also without all of your trades. And as I've said, I'm using the Edgewonk software now, and that has blown my mind, and just how entering in what I would normally put into my Excel spreadsheet, how using the Edgewonk software has been amazing in terms of giving me statistical feedback on my tiltometer, my trade expectancy, my drawdown heat, my updraw, all these little things that have been really critical and just sort of reshaping my thinking and my approach hopefully to ensure avoiding risk of ruin, but also my long-term survival. So most traders, I hope you can see this, they try, they fail, they try, they fail, they try, they fail, and eventually they quit. Because they either run out of trading capital, or they've blown up a trading account, or they put more trading capital in, and then they go through the same process. They try it, it fails. They try it, it fails. They don't follow the rules. They average into losers. They don't use stops. They use too big of position sizing. They system jump. They do all these things, and then eventually, if they run out of capital or they've tried so many times, eventually they quit. 99% of traders fail. I know we see these numbers, 90% of traders fail, but if your risk of ruin is above zero, even if you're making money right now, eventually you're probably going to end up here. So the successful traders, the 1%ers, they try something or they try their trading strategy, they monitor that trading expectancy, they manage their risk capital, they focus on risk management. Their whole approach to trading is based on risk management. You can take almost any trading system, even if it's 50-50, and with the proper money management, have a successful likelihood of staying in the game long term, as long as you are able to try, make adjustments, and analyze your outcomes, adjust it, and go back to the drawing board. But ensure your survival with risk management. So you may have a trade expectancy or trading system that gives you a 50% likelihood, which is almost anything really. You could buy or sell on any particular day and you'd have a 50-50 chance of making money. Now, if you use the proper position sizing and money management, you can be wrong a number of times and be right a smaller number of times and still be profitable over the long term. So that requires analyzing your trades, understanding how you can minimize possibly your losses on your losing trades, how you can increase your profitability on your winning trades, so that might involve adding positions at certain points along that trade. If you're going to be exiting a trade, at what point could you exit that trade sooner? So being able to understand from your initial point of entry on your winners, was there how much heat on average was generated on a winning trade? So perhaps you can take your stop losses and be able to adjust them so that when you're on your losers become smaller, and on your winners, how far did they run on average? Were you able to at any point add in winning positions with a low likelihood of that returning against your additional trades? So just little things, and this is where Edgewonk has really allowed me to, and I'm still learning, like I'm just blown away about how much there is inside of this software that I can use to benefit myself, and I'm really just learning the basics at the moment. But it's critical to avoid this loop of failure. And that's a great name, because that's what that is. And I was in that loop of failure. And I think most traders are always, you know, you've got to constantly monitor your mindset so that you don't drift back into that loop of failure. Because you can go through drawdowns, you're going to question your system, you're going to look at other things, you're going to start looking around and wondering if what you're doing is working. But the other side of that is if you've done the proper analysis and adjustments along the way, regardless of how the trading is performing, if you're managing your risk, you shouldn't have any problem sleeping at night. So you could call that the sleep factor. So focus on being able to trade your system flawlessly, managing the risk, analyzing the outcomes of those trades, looking how you can adjust and improve those trades, winners and losers. What can you learn from them, and how can you make them hopefully more profitable for you in the long term, and also reduce your losses in the losing trades as well. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Focus on your trading, your risk management, analyzing those trades, learning from them, and improving upon them. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.